Welcome back to Dickie's Beer Reviews. Today I'm trying Big Dog's Brewing Company out of Las Vegas, Nevada. This one is called Cone of Shame. It's a West Coast IPA and it's 6.8% alcohol. It's got a picture of a dog with a cone of shame on his head. Big Dog's is local. It's actually not that far from my house. This is part of Big Dog's Unleashed series. Alright, this has a light yellow color to it. Maybe a tiny bit of haze to it. It had a head on there, the head kind of went down. This has like a sweet citrus smell to it. Yeah, I can smell some sweetness. Yeah, this has like a sweet, hoppy, citrus bite all at the same time. I don't get the hops right off the bat, I don't get the citrus right off the bat. It's like kind of all at once. Really good aftertaste, it's really smooth. There's the head, I poured the rest in there. So yeah, it's got a creamy head on it. But yeah, the aftertaste, I can taste sweetness, I can taste citrus. So initially maybe a little bit more of the hops, but it's all like blended together. I can taste it all at once. It's pretty cool. Alright, to sum this one up, has a yellow color to it, maybe a tiny bit of haze. Has a creamy head on there. It smells citrusy, it smells sweet. Initial taste, it has like hoppy, citrus, sweetness all at the same time. Aftertaste, I can taste that citrus and the sweetness. Maybe a tad bit of the hops taste in the aftertaste now in the end. It's good, it's kind of creamy, it's juicy. It's good. It's good. Did I say it's good? I think I said it's good like 10 times. I like it. How's that? Yeah, I don't think I've had a Big Dog's that I haven't liked. Alright, thanks for watching. Check out my other videos, subscribe, leave comments, hit the like button. Till next time, cheers. Alright, if you've watched the video this far, leave a comment and put a song in there that you want me to play. And I'll give you a shout out if I do it. I'm running out of songs to play. Like I hear stuff on the radio and then I get home and I forget what song it was. And then...
So long, man. Have a good rest.
You have heard of
Captain Jack Sparrow.
Can't do.
Why is the rum gone?
What do you think of this? You like it?
I think you have some very definite ideas about what should be done with Danny.
Maybe he should be taken to a doctor.
Maybe he should be taken to a doctor.
As soon as possible? As soon as possible. Jack!
What are you doing, man? Like this is no kind. Like there's a ghost right behind me, isn't there?
God, give me a break.
Seriously, I could just eat like a whole bowl of nougat, like, straight up.
Holy you should have seen the look on your faces. And you? Who screams like that? You sound like a little girl.
I don't get the hops after. Welcome back to Dickie's Beer Reviews. I got my favorite hoodie on, and I'm gonna do a beer review. That's stupid. Don't put that in there. Cut that. Cut that out. All right, take two.